We also have on third position, Joby Salot, bike number 2, and Jerry Rich on the fourth bar. We also have Narvacan Moreno from Santa Lucia, Ilocos Sur, followed by Edsel Marahas, 124. We also have your rider number 38, followed by 44, Chad Pisquera. Still on the lead, bike number 1, Glenn Aguilar. Jonathan Howe, bike number 3, Jerry Rich, 39, Joby Salot, 2, bike 18, Norman Moreno, 124, Edsel Marahas, bike 38, and Chad Pisquera. All China underbone, get ready. Again, novice riders to the start, lady riders to the starting gate, please. Glenn Aguilar onto the stretch, followed by Jonathan Howe. On turn, Jerry Beach. We also have here Edsel Marahas, Norman Moreno, rider 38, that is Steve Carol Blees, followed by Joey Saulot and Chad Pisquera. Glenn Aguilar, bike number 1, still on the lead for the Pro Vet class, followed by rider number 3, that is Jolene Howe. Then we have Jerry Beach, followed by 124, Edsel Marahas, and bike 18 of Santa Lucia, Norman Moreno. Checking in our foreign rider from La Union, we also have here Stephen Devil Peace. Checking in, we also have bike number 2, Joby Saulot, followed by 44, Chad Pisquera. Followed by bike number 3, that is Jolene Howe for second position. On turn, it is now 124, Edsel Marahas, followed by Jerry Beach, rider 2. All China underbone, get ready. Here we go for the white flag. Last lap for bike number 1, Glenn Aguilar. And we have it here for the last jump, last corner of the Pro Vet class. That's the checkered flag for Glenn Aguilar. Glenn Aguilar. Checking in on second, bike number 3, that is Jolene Howe. We also have 124, Edsel Marahas. Checking in on fourth position, 39, that is Jerry Beach and Norman Moreno.